Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a plus b over a minus b, where a square plus b square minus 3ab is equal to 0. Now we have given a square plus b square minus 3ab is equal to 0. Taking this 3ab to right side, we can write a square plus b square is equal to 3ab. Now a plus b over a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square over a minus b whole square is equal to, applying formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We can write it as a square plus 2ab plus b square over a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to, rearranging it, we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab over a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to, substituting value is a square plus b square is equal to 3ab. We can write 3ab plus 2ab over 3ab minus 2ab is equal to, 3ab plus 2ab is equal to 5ab over 3ab minus 2ab is equal to ab. This ab cancel out this ab, so a plus b by a minus b whole square is equal to 5. Now taking a square root to both sides, we will get a plus b over a minus b is equal to plus or minus square root of 5. So this is the value of a plus b over a minus b. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for the watching.